Oh. Okay, Google.
But we're gonna,
Stop.
guys, we're having technical problems.
Sorry.
Anyways, we got a bunch of the new radioactive broccoli so I can be big and he can be small. Or no, I can be small and he can be big.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do. And
like, I'm 6'5", he's like 4'9".
Shut up. No, I'm not. and then we're gonna go for a sewers run in our sizes. So yeah. All right, we're only we're gonna only eat 3 broccoli.
Why
because
only 3?
I can't be that small. And you can't be that big. So let's start.
Oh, the lag. Mother Jesus of love.
Holy. Oh shoot. And also, if you ever need more broccoli, we have some in our possession.
Oh, I'm so big. Oh my God, Oliver.
I can't reach. It's so big.
Oh my God!
Dan, you really want to come at me like that? Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, I'm so big.
Big. Oh God, this is so weird. Oh.
Here I go.
You look so cute. Oh my God, this is so weird.
Dan,
Come on. Come on.
I'm on my way, jeez.
Oh my God, I think I might be too big. Oh, this is so weird. Wait, Roman, how are we gonna?
This is why we brought back up broccoli. There's no way I only bought that much. Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
Ugh. Oliver! Wait. How am I supposed to make it? I freaking hate you. No! Where are you? Are you selling
Sorry,
your
I was
stuff?
just- No, I was selling these lava blocks. No, no, no. No, please. Are you gonna do it or no? Take it.
Too long.
Take it. Are you kidding me? That was 2, and you got $1,000.
I know, I got $1,000.
1,000. All right, let's see how big and small we can get. All right.
Okay. Oh, I have to be careful. Wait.
Oh. I have to put these on the ground, or they're gonna float away, and I can't reach them if they float away.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my god,
Oliver!
Oliver! Oh my goodness. Oliver, I can't even hear you. I can hear you on the radio though.
I know, that's why I'm on the radio. Oh! It's not long until you go too.
Oh! I'm so big! Oliver, come here! Oh,
Oh my gosh!
I can just
Papa,
pick you up.
what
Can I
happens?
not? No! Oh, shit! Oh. You are actually so stupid. I can flash you.
Oh my god. This is the
Wait.
normal sized gorilla, bro.
Wait, I'm gonna go. I can't even go through there, bro. No!
No! Alright, let's go get more.
Yo, that
Alright.
was so weird. Wait, I have to get my stuff. Just
Hello.
some. Oh, let go.
What the
Oh,
heck was that?
do not touch that. Do not touch that thing.
Alright, vámonos.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I forgot that it did that. How are we gonna get it over there to sell it?
You put it in a backpack, stupid.
You know what? I can make it over there. Don't worry. I'm almost there.
Oh my god.
What does it look like?
You're like, your arms are like moving very weirdly. That's.
Oh shoot, I'm stuck. There we go.
Holy shucks.
Yeah?
Oh my god, I swear. Bro.
Oh my gosh, if it's... Oh, it's the last one you...
It's like gonna be like 200 or 300 something. Or
What?
400.
Alright. Well, let's go. Also, I wasn't even as small as possible. I just ran out
I was
of
even as
broccoli.
big as possible. It just became hard to eat, bro.
Yeah. Because we have to go through. We have to go through it with each other before. Gee whiz, look at all that.
I got more.
Holy! Hold on.
Oh, do we eat it right now?
Yeah.
We do?
Mhm.
Okay, you go there, I go here.
I'm getting the ones that I won't be able to get. No.
my god, guys. I had to leave because or else I would lose everything. That was crazy. Oh my god.
Wait, what?
Oliver,
Oh,
I had to leave the
What
game
happened?
because I got so big I went off the map and I was falling through the void. And I had to.
oh. All right.
Oh, they're still here.
Now watch me get small. Watch me get small. Ready?
And bro, it's so crazy on
Here
the
we go.
recordings. Could be crazy.
Oh, look at myself getting super tiny. I'm gonna go under the couch. I'm like a little rat. I can't even see myself. Oh, I can. I'm too small.
Hi. How are you doing, Oliver?
Can't. I'm too small. Hold on. I need to use the grappling. Hey! You put that down!
You sound so childish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is... Yo, Oliver. Am I able to pick you up?
Hold on. I have to grab my backpack and put it
Oh
on.
my god. Oh my god.
Alright, hold on.
This is so weird.
Where am I? I'm in the backpack.
Ah!
I am.
Oh my.
No.
That was so childish. Wait, use the big ones.
I can't
Use
do
the
it
big
anymore.
ones. Use the big ones.
All right, let's start bringing
No,
them
just
over.
use them. You have to, no, Oliver. You have to
What?
be here because or else you will be too big. You won't fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
How did I eat two at the same time? Oh, you're so tiny.
Hi.
Bro. Oh my gosh.
Oliver, I was so big. Get the fuck away. I was so big I couldn't even fit in the map anymore. No, you have to put it under your headset. Put it under your headset.
I can't even. Wait,
Oh,
where'd they go?
despawned. Get away from me! Mom! Mom!
Wait, what if I grab my pickaxe?
You can't go in there.
Hey, you don't want to mess with me.
Hey, touch that.
No, it doesn't.
Come here.
Oh,
Oh, you're so big.
this is what I call pro scaling. Oh shoot!
Oh my god. Or you sound like an adult, bro.
Oh, I forgot how small this is. It's like a little toothpick. This is like a little toothpick.
I know, but it gets smaller.
Oh. All right, let's go. Wait, did my stuff despawn too? Where'd my backpack go?
It's on your back, stupid.
Oh, freaking! Oh my gosh,
Oh my god, bro.
guys, I'm gonna leak Stan's IP address
What?
right here, right now.
6722205.
Guys, I'm dying of a illness.
Send money.
Yeah, send money to save me. I want
Trickle.
your money for my cause. All right,
Okay.
I'm watching you get small. All right.
Let's just give me some fun.
Holy, it's still going! Oh no, hurry. I'm gonna pass them to you, okay?
No, I got it. I got it.
if you can't reach them. Alright. Started. Start the process. Look at your little hands. Wait, take off your backpack so I can see you.
Oh.
Oh shoot. Your voice is so
Oh my
weird.
god. Help me, Oliver.
You're so small.
I can't get it. Oh, wait, I got it. Give me. Thanks.
Thank you, Oliver.
Hey, give me my food.
How are you still
Give me my
going?
food. My food. Give it. Give it. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose. Ugh.
How did you grab it?
Give me. Oliver, I'm in the ground. I'm in the ground. Give me.
I can't.
Shoot, they're all flying
I
away.
saw it. Be calm. Ugh. I can't get it. Ugh. Ugh. Wait.
Wait, give me my grappler. Give me my grappler.
Here. Can you grab that?
I got one. Wait. Pause.
Here.
Wait.
You're flying.
I'm flying.
What the freak? Dad, you're flying. You're just a floating. You're just a floating grappling hook.
Help! 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 Help!
Where'd you go?
Wait, I have to go under the couch. Right here! Oh!
Are you still?
I'm right
Stan,
here. I'm right
Stan,
here.
I
I'm right
can't
here.
hear you.
Behind you, yeah.
More, a little
Where
bit more.
are you? Oh. Okay, my turn. I'll finish the rest.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Let's put the. This is my backpack right here. All right, vámonos.
I got you. I got you.
Don't worry. No! Hey! Give me my broccoli.
You're like a little kitty.
Hey, give me.
You want it? You want it?
I want it. I want it.
Are you okay, little guy? Are you okay, little guy?
Whoa! Whoa!
Wait, Oliver, take the other one. Take the other one.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
come here. Come. Use. Get on the floor. Get on the floor.
Hey, pass. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, you don't want to miss me. I'm dual wielding.
Oh my god. What is this so weird?
My grappling hook. Bro, you were actually so small. You were like a speck of dust on here. Hold on, let's play some video games. Come on, you grab the other controller.
No! Alright, let's go sell the stuff. Guys, we're gonna be selling all of our food for the next week. For you too.
Yeah, you can keep all of it in there, you know. Alright. Wait, that's my bag. Oh, that's
Yeah.
yours.
Oh shoot, this is your
No,
pickaxe.
this is yours.
Or your
This is yours.
that's my backpack? Oh yeah.
Okay, ready? That's nothing.
That's nothing! We just spent all that time. Okay, let's go get the purple ones. I want you to see me become a speck of dust.
Again? It's time to see little Oliver.
I'm already short in real life.
Like I said, I'm 6'5",
Oh,
he's
shoot.
4'9".
No, guys, he's lying. Alright. It's time to start.
What's up? I'm a little small.
Y'all don't want to mess with little old me.
When you need help, tell me.
I'll never need your help. I am a strong, independent.
Hey, drop it. I got that one. Don't worry. I can't see my hands anymore.
Oh shit!
Oh, shoot.
No, don't run!
Hey, hey, that's not very nice.
Oliver, where are you? Use your thing. Oh, it's a floating grappler. Oh. What's up? Wait, let go of the grappler. Let go of the grappler. Oh my god! Ah!
Hey, I want more. Feed me. Okay, you're very bad at this. I got it. Wait, hold on. Let me go to the stem.
Where? Oliver. Where are you? Use your thing. Where are you? Use your mic, bro.
Bro, I'm right here.
Are you in front of the mirror?
No, I'm right here. I'm next to this I'm on this power line. Power line that goes through from the cube.
Are you next to the Are you next to a grappler?
Reach it. It's too tall.
Oh.
I grabbed it at the exact wrong time. Hey.
I'm hungry. Gimme.
Bye.
Papa, no.
Time
Papa,
to go.
no. I can barely see, bro.
Stop.
Papa, I want food. Oh, my game. I want food, Papa.
Take off your backpack. I can't see you.
Oh.
Here. Dang! You're so tiny.
Hi, Papa.
Look at you. Alright, you need your vegetables, son.
Yay!
Wait,
Oh, can I go? Ugh, over. I'm gonna go under the couch.
Oh, I see you. Let's no. Wait, let's play some video games. Come on. Get the
I'm
controller.
in the couch.
Are you? Ow! I see you.
Wait.
Alright,
I
let's
want to
play.
see something.
Oh yeah, you got. Pick it up.
Oh!
Whoa! He's flying!
I'm a big boy now. Oliver!
Hey! Come back with my pickaxe! Where are you going? You're literally flying!
Why do I feel bigger than usual?
Alright. Guys, thank you guys for watching. We've been filming for like a couple minutes
Probably an
now,
hour.
or an hour now, and yeah. And we've
Alright.
had a lot of fun with this.
Bye-bye.